Hello, good evening.
Why don't you keep your promise?
What?
You agreed to an extension fee.
I will call the police.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, son, where are you?
Almost there.
I'm at the store, and a bunch of strange people came over.
What's going on?